Hi friends, today I am going to break this truck and build this bulldozer. If you want to make this bulldozer, you have to download the building instruction in a Mi browser. And also I have given the link in the description below. Now let's break it. I have finished dismantling it. It was very hard to dismantle all these pieces. Now let us organize it. So friends, I have finished organizing it. Now let us start building. This is my final product. Now I am going to spin around and show you. Show all the features in this bulldozer. If you spin the steering wheel, the bulldozer will turn. If you spin this knob, the blade will go up and down. This is the engine compartment, and they have given a ladder with safety rails. My Lego golden ninja is going to climb up. They have also given a seat for the bulldozer operator. Now let's start playing.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.